Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. VIDIZMO DEM supports multiple languages based on the user's desired preferences. Manager plus roles can change portal language, whereas profile language can be customized at the user level. By the way, the priority of profile language is higher than the portal language in VIDIZMO DEM. Registered users will view the portal based on their set profile language, whereas unregistered users will view the portal in the language that has been set by the administrator. In case the portal language has been set to auto-detect, unregistered users will view the portal in the language that has been set for their browser. In this video, we will be looking at customizing portal and profile language in VIDIZMO DEM. To customize portal language, select Portal Settings from the Admin tab, and select Language under the Branding tab. By checking Allow Multilingual checkbox, the preferred language for the portal can be set and saved. The portal language will only change for unregistered users, whereas the registered users will continue viewing the portal in the language set as their profile language. Whereas, unchecking Allow Multilingual checkbox will disable language selection options for everyone. As a result, the Language tab from the My Profile tab of registered users will also hide. However, registered users can still change their profile language by navigating to the My Profile tab in the User menu. By clicking on the User menu, users can choose their preferred profile language. As a result, only the individual profile language will change. Additionally, users can click on the Edit Profile option by navigating to the Profile option from the top left menu and select their desired language. By the way, auto-detect only works with enlisted languages provided in the portal. If the browser language is set to any language that is not enlisted in the portal, users will view the portal in English by default. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.